Hello friends, today we will learn that how to configure HA in FortiGate firewall. So in my case, I am using FortiGate 120G. So there are some prerequisites to configure HA. Let's discuss one by one. Both firewall should be of same model. In my case, I am using FortiGate 120G as I tell you earlier. And the firmware of the both firewall should be same. Either it is on 7.2 or 7.4, but both firewall should be in the same firmware version. And the license level of the both firewall should be same, or at least they should support HA licensing. And before proceeding, you have to factory reset the secondary firewall, and it is highly recommended. And the fifth one is the interface layout of the both firewall should be same, and the both firewall should have the dedicated HA port. Either it will be HA1 or HA2, but in FortiGate 120G there is only one HA port. So let's go to the next image. Now we will discuss about the network diagram. So first internet will come through the ISP, and you have to route that connection to a simple switch. Either it will be D-Link, HP or Cisco, anything. And you have to use other port of the switch and directly route that port to your WAN port of your firewall. Okay, and WAN port should be same. Either it is port number 15, then port number 15 should be work for WAN in both the firewall. You have to connect directly Ethernet cable to the HA port of the both firewall, because it will be used for the synchronization of the firewalls. You should use the LAN cable directly to your core switch. If you are using port 1 for the LAN in primary firewall, then use port 1 in the second. Means connection should be same for the both firewall. Now let's start on the screen. So open your primary firewall and enter your username and password. Okay. Now navigate to system and open HA. Here you can see that one HA is already configured. So you have to configure as active passive and enter the device priority. It is 128 in my case, and enter the group name. Group name should be same for both firewall, and password should also be same for both firewall. And I have configured monitor interfaces here. Now here you can see that how can we connect the both firewall with the HA port. So here connect with the first firewall and into the second firewall's HA port. Now log in to the second firewall and open CLI and type command execute factory reset. Click enter and confirm Y. After a few minutes, it will configure to the factory reset. Now change the IP of your firewall with 192.168.1.99 series and open with the IP in last 1.99. It's a default IP of FortiGate firewall. So type admin as username and password is blank by default. Old password is blank. Type your new password. Confirm the password and tick OK. Now log in again with your new password. So click on begin, then choose your what you want to choose here. Now it is your secondary firewall. Navigate to system, then HA, and select the same mode, active passive. Device priority you can choose by yourself. Group name should be same. In my case it was FGT-HA, and password should be same what you have entered in that your primary firewall. Check the session pickup if you want, and what interface you want to monitor. Click here, select here, and hardware interfaces, and click OK. Now your HA is configured. Now we will go to the primary firewall and check. This is the primary firewall. Log in here with your credentials. Navigate to system and HA. Here you can see that your secondary firewall is here as not synchronized, and you have to refresh it, and after a few minutes, few seconds or minutes, it will be synchronized fully. Yes, like this. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.